Ned Nwoko don marry seventh wife. Oh, Regina. Hello, everybody. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time coming across my TV, you guys are welcome once again. Welcome to my channel. Abemona, not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. No, if you not check the corner of this my channel now, una will see where one write. They write something with red. I beg no kuna help me press that red button so that it will come out for that red. Then you come bring another arrow come outside when it be like bear. Una go click on that bear. Then una go put on for the one with the bear for show 2 cover. Then that one, don't click on that one. Anytime when I take put video, when I phone will your ring, gran, I don't upload new video. So my people, we quickly want to talk to part 2 for this our channel now. Now about Regina Daniel, her husband don't finally marry to 7th wife. Now Regina don't get second when he be say she does still senior for Ned Nwoko house when be say she don't first reach the house before Ned Nwoko still reach there for this one still come, so she does still first this one reach Ned Nwoko house. But the problem with me they get now be say Regina she they try to cover up say Ned Nwoko never married Jonah have been waiting, because even news they carry on saying Regina Daniel they share the same car, the same most of the things with this woman. So when Ned Nwoko new marry, she they allow the woman they use her things most times, because when I check I come meet say the same car and the same bag they are two they use them together. And she can't even post her for her Instagram page when Ned Nwoko new engagement. So I think maybe this girl she dey try cover up, make people not know say na Ned Nwoko wife. She just want by act like say maybe Ned Nwoko she dey accommodate the girl for her house, not be Ned Nwoko wife. So she want you by heart say she just dey accommodate that girl. So maybe she can't greet them or she can't visit them for the maid time. If it be say Ned Nwoko will marry this girl finish, give her her own house for outside the house where Regina Daniel and the Moroccan wife dey. I think maybe na so it be. That's why she they flaunt the girl ring, they flaunt the girl, they share things with her, they try to feel like say maybe she dey happy, but we all know say indoors she's not happy. She really not dey happy with wetin they go on with her, because on say she use her early age to enter marriage, can go be 6th wife, and after 1 year Ned Nwoko don marry the 7th one. Wait, tomorrow really talk about Ned Nwoko. Ned Nwoko, why you dey marry small girls when it be say they never even know 2, know 3? Because you know even they allow them they build their career well. Because Regina Daniel, you get bright future. You be actress. You they do things. You be businesswoman. Why you not just focus on your career when you can go they marry this man when senior your own father? Even your mother no fit even give you the best advice. You can't come out that time they talk say now what make you marry man when old pass you, based on say you dey stubborn, you dey very stubborn. Where you know the year gay, you know the year ga, you the only the year una understand like that, my people. So you say you can't make you marry Ned Nwoko until say you go feel they correct you for any mistake when you they make. My sister, my darling sister, you do very wrong thing. Ned Nwoko when you marry no go give you that respect as a girl, as a woman. Because just imagine now you marry Ned Nwoko, he never even reach 2 years of una marriage. Ned Nwoko don't marry 7 one, don't marry join you. And Ned Nwoko get 7 wife, and you want to try now, you want to deceive yourself, you can they cover up. They say no, so she now wow. You know, say you not dey happy for that marriage, you not dey happy for that house when you did. You come they by the post, they deceive others, so that all those other small girls when just they knew they come up, their mind go day, their hair go day to run follow old man like you when you marry. When you yourself know say this man when you marry, so senior your own father. My darling sister, it no good now. Check and balance am. It not dey nice. Because if you check am, it really no good. How you go marry man when your own father, when senior your own father? Come to your mother part of it. We can't talk about the part for your mama. Why your mother not fit advise you? Rita, why you not fit advise your daughter? Forget about say maybe una be actor and actress. It's not good now. At least una not celebrity. Una matter most loud. Una will still do something in a respectful way. This is what Regina Daniel do, so it's not good now. Okay, just consider now the man will make her, the man when she go marry at her early age, go be sixth wife. The man don't come marry join her. What did she come gain for the marriage? The man not even give her respect. Say okay, make if Ned Nwoko even respect the Regina Daniel reach 2-3 years before he will marry join her. He never even complete a year and some months. Pikin when Regina Daniel born for Ned Nwoko, he never reach 6 months finish. He never even reach 5 months self. If I'm not mistaken. And no, he don't marry 6th wife. They post and follow everywhere. They flaunt her around. New wedded. Regina Daniel, my darling, you do wrong. Samantha, when you date, he don't let you stay with. Una two na still young boy and girl. When you be so now go build una life well. Enjoy your marriage. Some people say they don't they get 7 wives now. How you wanted to get the time of your man? You get some kind of mood on you. There's some kind of you need your man by your side. How you wanted to get the time? Maybe say today Moroccan wife, tomorrow this and tomorrow that one. For you can go reach your turn, my sister. I bet young girls out there, more will try, more they make right decision for ourselves. Even if our parents they try, they do one. Because this is Regina Daniel, so she just do it just because she want to make people hear of her. She want people do this, she want people do that one. But it's not the wrong decision that she they take. So not the wrong one, darling. You take the wrong decision. Marrying that won't will change anything. Instead, they make you they think on time. You can't over they think at your age. You don't be 6th wife and now they don't marry join you. You never ever reach 2 years when they marry you enter the Nwoko house. It's not good now, my darling. I beg. Try when you use your head. No con they do. I know they cover up for Ned Nwoko. I know, yes, you will shame say Ned Nwoko when you marry. At last year when we say people they talk about you. No, you don't go marry join you. We know, we understand. No shame put, no putting the shame they put, not be you start to the be 6th wife. Only say you no can do away. You for not marry her. Why Chacha Ike not married Ned Nwoko? Well, Chika Ike don't fit date Ned Nwoko for long before you can't date there. Why Chika Ike not marry her? Because Chika Ike not want to be 6th wife or 5th wife or even 4th wife. If people say when Chika Ike they date Ned Nwoko never marry reach 5 wife or 3 wife that time when they start. Chika Ike not say no fit do let make her not marry her. But you now be say oh why when your mama get now right inside. Now right now want shop money. Now want shop money. See how the money they be now. See how the money they be. I beg my people, more we try more than they use maturity. I not don't think I feel for you I pity you at your age. See how you they do. See how you now wow. Mona see Ned Nwoko with the just wedded though. Mona see why Ned Nwoko they marry small children? Why? Small time now, if Ned Nwoko they come for street, people go they got to they run. Oh. They go need to they run because me not go marry even 3 years old baby girl for my belly. Ned Nwoko, you when they marry all those small children up and down. I beg. Now wow, get boundary. You don't owe them. How you wanted to take even the money there. How you wanted to manage the 7 women where you don't marry now. I wanted to manage all of them. Okay, my people, I will leave on una watch this video. Abeg una not forget to drop una opinion down below. Make una drop una comment on what una think about this video for the comment section. I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye everyone. Thank you guys for stopping by. Bye for now.